Amida Gataki, or Amida Waterfall. The origin of the name is said to be that Amida Buddha appeared to a monk in the Muromachi period while he was practicing here. That's why this is now called Amida Falls. The rainbow came out just as the sun hit the waterfall, because I went early in the morning at this time. When Amida Buddha appeared, did the monk see such a beautiful rainbow here? When looking up at the sky from the side of the waterfall, the trees were beautifully rounded and the sky was visible from there.